me!
You'll never escape, Team J!
This way!
Knew this was a trap! Why would a mysterious stranger give us free tickets to a maze of mirrors?
Some people are just nice.
It doesn't matter which way you go. Every path leads you closer to me!
Hey! Wait up! Looking good, Duke.
Aye! Duke! Why are you taking a selfie? We have to escape.
At least I can do more than one thing at once. You can't even watch where you're running.
And you can only watch your own reflection.
Meana.
Jay.
Oh, hey, Petunia.
Hi, Jay. You're right on time. Behold my mirror!
What, something in my teeth?
This is my magic mirror! 7 months pocket money and totally worth it! When I press this button, whoever the mirrors are pointing at will swap bodies. You will be my show-jumping horse right after I zap Petunia's obedient brain into your perfect body. Say what now? Check this barcode face.
Stop!
Whirlwind strike! No!
Fitness freak?
Cheddar ball!
What's that? Some kind of selfie stick.
What's happening? Oh!
Cami!
Duke!
My mirror!
You're okay.
Not even close.
Duke? What happened to your voice?
I'm Cami. That's Duke.
Hi, Jay.
Hurry up, Petunia! Hurry up! I'm fixing this mirror and coming back for you, Jay.
You gotta help me, Jay. I'm stuck in this fitness freak's body. All it wants to do is move.
I need a nap. All this body wants to do is sleep and eat and... look in the mirror.
Let's get you back in the right bodies. Your voices are freaking me out.
I don't like being so low on the ground.
Well, I don't like this head.
Here's the tape. Quick, fix the mirror. First of all, I've got hooves. Fine! I'll do everything myself.
Our time is short. The mean girl is fixing her mirror of magic.
Then we need to get in there now. It's team time.
Hand, paw,
Hoof. Nothing's happening.
I've got it! Cami and Duke are in the wrong bodies, so maybe they need to swap places. Gotcha!
hand, paw, move. Go, Team J!
Okay then, not what I had expected.
Come on, let's use it to get over the wall.
Wait, watch out for the...
Meana mine. Go! Ow!
cacti.
Get out of my cactuses. They're very precious. They remind me of my mother. Prickly.
Hey, Jay! Catch them in this!
Time to take out the trash.
Really?
No!
What's going on? Why do I smell so good?
Ew-wee. What's that smell? I've done it! The perfect obedient mind inside the perfect show-jumping body. I'm going to win every trophy in the land.
Hey, Duke! I've got your skills, and you've got mine. Let's use them.
I like the way you think. Brace yourself. Yeah!
Wushu! Catch! I have it.
Whoa! Is everyone back to normal?
Yes!
Yes!
Thanks, Jay.
Great! Now, who's going for pizza?
Cami, I just want to say I rock. And so do you. High five!
Meana? Well, don't just stand there. Get some plant food and turn me towards the light.
And now, our surprise guest is going to blow your medieval mind.
I'm the surprise, right?
Yeah, no one knows you're here. Ow!
Sorry, I forgot I was wearing this thing.
And
You're on!
He is Surprise! I am the brave Sir J with my trusty sword.
What?
How perfect! Jade tinned like a tuna.
Yelp!
Mildew! How did he know we were here?
Oh, I'm always one step ahead of you. Jay's magic will be mine.
Back off, moldy boy!
Your feeble football doesn't hurt me.
Oh, speak for yourself.
All I need to do is reel you in like a little fishy.
Whoa! Can we not turn the magnet off? Or turn it on him? Take that!
Whoa!
Get off, you flying rodent!
You don't know how to fly this thing.
Says the flightless chicken.
How dare you call me a chicken?
I know I have animal magnetism, but that was something else.
Mildew couldn't have known where we were, and that you'd be wearing a metal helmet. Yeah, Jay was supposed to be a big surprise. We did not tell anyone outside this house.
So, there's a leak, huh? A spy, an informant, a rat. Was it you? Or you, perhaps?
Hey, little buddy.
There's a bug!
Did you tell Mildew our plans?
I hate bugs! All those tiny eyes watching me. Ugh.
I thought you loved being watched.
By my fans, not by bugs.
You seen any spies down there?
This bug is my most perfect invention yet.
Team J don't suspect we can hear almost every word they say.
Almost isn't enough. If we're going to capture Jay, we need to hear everything.
Way ahead of you, Mildew.
Well, somehow the surprise got out of this house.
Ooh, you have a friend.
It's as if they're listening to us.
You have no idea, Team J.
We can hear every word through my genius spy bugs.
Your spy bugs. I made the microphone bits.
Ha! You could make a splash in a swimming pool.
How very dare you, sir! You'd be nothing without me.
Fiddlesticks! Soon, I'll lay the perfect trap to capture that irritating magical zebra.
Mildew's really lost it this time. I mean, calling me irritating?
Those sneaky slug-brained funguses. Our warrior does not waste her breath on unkind words. And they might hear you. I want them to hear. Oh, that's it! If Mildew hears everything we say, he might believe everything we say.
We can fool him with a fake plan.
I'll need all your help to make the trap.
And I don't even charge you.
Charge me? I should charge you for constantly diminishing my...
Mildew can never find out about our secret magicinator.
A magicinator?
If he ever climbs into that magicinator, it will give him magic as powerful as mine.
Let us hide the magicinator in the park, so those slimy stink bombs never steal our magic.
To the park, Hannibal.
Behold the magicinator.
It's made of clothes pegs?
Yep, we're gonna have to work together to make it look real enough to trick Mildew.
Hand, paw, who? Go, Team J!
The magicinator.
I'll go first.
No way. I'm going first. Put my hands here.
Wait for me.
Has it worked? Am I magic?
Oh, you buffoon, Mildew! You've walked right into their trap.
Release me at once, peasants! I'll get you, Team J!